Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to clean a foggy headlamp. You can see here, very foggy, and it's foggy on the outside. Feels a little rough. And I'm going to be using toothbrush and toothpaste, Colgate. And no, I was not paid to advertise Colgate, but it's what I use. Alright, so the toothpaste wet. Prefer to use the white toothpaste, but here I have the triple action. It will work just the same. And I just continue rubbing this all over the lamp till I have covered everything, and then I repeat for the other side. Alright, so I'm going to leave the toothpaste on for probably about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to use a toothbrush to clean it off with a little water. So now after 5 to 10 minutes, just as you would if you were brushing your teeth, you just rub this off. It's best to use the rough toothbrush and get it all off. Okay, so I washed it off with water and Shmai here, and as you can see, already looks pretty shiny. But I'm not done. I'm going to repeat the process just as before, and it will be even shinier. And that should be enough.